Right, Neha, absolutely. Quite an interesting time for the stock market today, especially with the electoral trends having made the people investing in the stock market extremely volatile. The markets have been extremely volatile. Remember, we had said earlier that it's a bloodbath that was underway at Dalal Street. Right now, though, we see a recovery. We're now being joined by Suyash as well. Suyash, is this recovery that we now see temporary by any chance, given that the electoral trends are still on underway, the results are still not out?
See, I think you raise a very important question. But before we get to that, let's look at how the markets are doing currently because we have seen a massive recovery. So it's not just a pullback, it's a good one. Nifty, for that matter, is up by about 1,000 points from the low of its day. So it's back above that 22,200 mark. And, even the banking sector on the whole is on the mend. It's up about 2,000 points. Sensex, for that matter, is up about 2,200 points. PSU index, which at one point was down almost 19%, is now down about 11%. So we have seen a unilateral recovery across the board. Now, to get to your question, can we trust this recovery? Even though if the pullback is good enough, can we really expect this recovery to continue? And should we try to catch that falling knife? I think if you ask me, I think that answer is no, because clearly if you can see on your screen, just a couple of hours, an hour before that we spoke, that number on your screen for NDA, that tally was looking like it would be around the 285 to 288 mark. That was when the sentiment was at its weakest. Nifty was down almost 9%. Sensex 2 was down 9%. The PSU banking index was down about 19%. But since then, in the last hour or so, that tally has moved from 295 to about 288. So about 10, 12, perhaps seat shift that we have seen in the last hour has really aided that recovery. But again, for an investor out there, should you, perhaps get into a market and bank on this recovery? I think that answer is no, because clearly this recovery is sentimental. And, if I would like to put it, I mean, if we put it nicely, I think it's only speculative trading that's going on currently. So perhaps a better view, or at least from the analysts that I have spoken to, would be at least sit out for some time. Maybe today, shut off your screens, come back tomorrow with a clearer mind, with a clearer picture what that final tally is going to look like. I think that should be the strategy for a retail investor, for the small fish that's out there investing in this big pool of whales.
Absolutely. A sentimental recovery is what Suyash is saying. But also, Suyash, I would come to you with this question. What exactly is going on with Adani? We see it's down by 25%.
So Adani, it's one of those conglomerate that is linked to the incumbent government, and as that number that I mentioned on your screen, which was, as you can see, that tally that is reflecting right now says NDA could perhaps take in 295 seats at that point, just an hour ago when that slip happened. In fact, the flagship companies of Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises, for that matter, were down at much as 25%. They hit their lower circuit. The trading was frozen at that point in time. But since then, they have also recovered as along with the market. Currently, they both are down about 13%. All the constituent stocks are down somewhere around 10 to 15%. Still a big cut when it comes to on a day-on-day basis. But we are seeing recovery over there as well. Again, it's sentimental. All of it is sentimental. This is one of the conglomerate that is often associated with the incumbent government. And for that matter, even Reliance, at one point it was on almost 9%. Now it's sitting with a cut of about 5%. So we are seeing across the board recovery, Adani being one. And if you look at, yesterday what happened, while the market was up about 3%, Adani stocks were up about 8 to 12% or so. So clearly they were outperforming market. And today, when the market is in the red, clearly they are underperforming the market.
Well, quite an interesting insight here at this point, Neha. And well, that's what the markets have for you. There is a recovery that's taken place, but it may be temporary. That's what we are speculating here from the newsroom at this point.